Hi guys, we got the iPhone 12 Pro Max and this is the Pacific Blue. So let's do unbox it. This is the box we're gonna open. There's the iPhone we're gonna put here. And this is the charging cable, USB Type-C to Lightning. And this is the paperwork with only one Apple sticker. This is the iPhone 12 Pro Max in Pacific Blue color, and this is the sticker. We're gonna take it out and we're gonna put it right here and we're gonna turn on. This is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video.